Welcome to Ride Along TT. In today's episode, we feature the Parliament of Trinidad and Tobago, also referred to as the Red House. On the 15th of February 1844, then Governor of Trinidad and Tobago, Sir Henry MacLeod, laid the foundation stone for a new government administration building located at the western edge of Woodford Square. In 1897, as Trinidad was preparing to celebrate the Diamond Jubilee of Queen Victoria, coats of red paint were applied to the building. Thereafter, the public referred to the building as the Red House. Unfortunately, on the 23rd of March 1903, the building was burnt to the ground. The work of rebuilding it began the following year, and the Red House was erected on the same site. It was opened to the public on the 4th of February 1907 by Governor Sir Henry Moore Jackson. In 2011, the Parliament left the Red House and moved temporarily to the Tower D of Port of Spain International Waterfront Centre to accommodate the repair of the entire building for the exclusive use of Parliament. On Friday the 24th of January 2020, the Red House was reopened by Her Excellency Paula May Weeks, President of Trinidad and Tobago. Join us next Saturday as we bring to you Ride Along TT Episode 2. Subscribe to us on YouTube and click the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming episodes.